Event planning can be stressful, but what if AI could take the pressure off? From selecting venues to managing budgets, artificial intelligence is changing how events are planned and executed. Let's dive into 5 use cases for AI in event planning that can make your next event not just organized, but unforgettable. Venue selection can make or break your event. AI tools analyze attendee data, budget constraints, and preferences to suggest the best options. For example, try using a prompt like, "I'm hosting a conference for 200 attendees in San Francisco on May 15th. Suggest venues with AV equipment, catering, and parking within a $15,000 budget. AI assistants like ClickUp Brain deliver tailored recommendations in seconds within ClickUp's powerful project management tool. Did you know 63% of not-for-profits already use AI for tasks like this? Imagine how much time that could save. AI excels at creating detailed checklists to keep you on track. With the ClickUp Event Management template, you can divide tasks into phases like 3 months before, 1 month before, and event day, covering everything from venue booking to guest follow-ups. Now you never need to worry about forgetting crucial tasks like arranging transport or scheduling rehearsals. Personalized communication that speaks to your audience's needs boosts engagement. AI tools like ChatGPT or ClickUp Brain automate this by crafting emails tailored to recipients. You can even reprompt these tools to achieve a more friendly, professional tone that resonates. Feeling stuck on finding the right theme for your event? AI can help brainstorm creative ideas tailored to your audience. For example, if your event is on sustainable innovation, AI may suggest nature-inspired elements like recycled materials, greenery walls, or digital projection of natural landscapes for the decor. This ensures your event feels curated and memorable. Budgets can spiral out of control quickly. AI tools track expenses, predict future costs, and suggest budget-friendly alternatives. The ClickUp Event Budget template integrates with your event plan, offering real-time visibility and insights. By flagging potential overspending early, you're always in control. ClickUp Brain takes AI in event planning a step further. From generating templates to tracking progress and even proofreading your event's marketing collateral, it acts as your executive assistant and brings everything into one workspace. Whether it's managing vendor details or automating reminders and task assignments, ClickUp Brain ensures your planning stays efficient and stress-free. With AI-powered tools like ClickUp, event planning doesn't have to be overwhelming. It can be fun. Just leave the planning, monitoring, and analyzing to ClickUp Brain and experience the difference. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful AI hacks.